Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel The Love Stories. Today I'm gonna do your weekly love reading for the month of November. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, you can take guideline from these reading, and if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. And for covering every area of your love life, I will take 4 cards for your partner's feeling, attention, and current situation, 4 cards for your feeling, attention, and current situation, and 2 cards from mutual energies. And after this full moon, energies must be changed. So let's see. Okay, let's start. What are the Aries person's feelings towards Aries? What are the Aries person's feelings towards Aries? What are the Aries person's feeling and intentions towards Aries? Okay. Seven of Pentacles, Wheel of Fortune, Ace of Wands. What are the Aries person's feeling and thinking towards Aries? King of Wands. So what are Aries feeling and intentions towards this person? What are Aries feeling and intentions towards this person? We are having here Three of Cups, Seven of Swords, the Fool, Four of Swords. So what are the mutual energies? We are having here Queen of Pentacles and the World. Okay, Aries. These are your cards and sign that could relate to your person. It could be any Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Four of Swords, Seven of Swords. It could be any Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this King of Wands, Ace of Wands. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Seven of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this Three of Cups. Okay, let's talk about your person's feeling first, Aries. And I feel like that this person is waiting for you, waiting for maybe your answer, maybe waiting for your reply, because their feelings are a little bit ups and downs, and wheel is turning into your favor. This game, this situation, whatever happened between both of you, turn into your side, in your favor, and this person is waiting for you. And this is this person's feelings towards you, like this person see you like you are so attractive, you are so charming, and you are right now in your full charm. And also, because this person feel like that this situation is turned into your favor, and this person feel like that you are so attractive and charming, and you are so stable on your ground with your passion, with your fiery energy. That's how there is a passion switched on in, there is a spark of passion switched on in this person's inside this person can feel that they have some kind of strong desires and strong feelings towards you. This is a new beginning. This person want a new beginning. This is a beginning of their passion, a new passion, just a new passion bubble up inside them, and they feel this passion for you, like all over again. This person feel this passion all over again, this thing, the attraction towards you, the desire towards you. They having desire for you, and this person is waiting for you, and wheel is turning into your favor. They are helpless, actually. They are completely helpless in front of this newborn passion for you inside them. And in your chart, you are like, right now, this is your current situation, Aries. You are enjoying with your friends, with your family, or maybe you are in a party mode. And also, you get a feel from this person. This person maybe manipulate you, maybe this person lied to you, and you are not so like satisfied with this person's behavior and actions, and whatever they say to you, you are not satisfied with them, and you feel like that this person is lying to you, trying to trick you, and you are enjoying your with your family and with your friends. And with this Fool card, this is the energy after this full moon. You want a new beginning in your life. You want, like, really, in actual, you want a new beginning in your life, and there is a new beginning for you, waiting for you. after full moon, energies are changed. This is what you want. If you don't want, still there is a new chance, new opportunity, new start for you. If you want or not, it's not depend on you, it's depend on the energies. There is a new start waiting for you. There is something new. You feel something is changed in this first week. You will change that. You will feel that change. And also with this Four of Swords, you want to take a break from this person. You think you should take a break from this person and be with your friends and family. But the thing is that there is a new beginning for you, and also this person is a manipulation because of this player kind of thing. You want to take a break from this person's lies and this person's tricks. They think manipulation can fix everything, but it's not like that. Sometimes it's not work. Manipulations, and there is a huge difference between explanation and manipulation. And let's see what is the mutual energies. And this person see you like you are so stable on your ground, you are paying attention on yourself, you are paying attention on your resources, and you are in a control charge, in a control, in a control of yourself. You are the boss of your life. You are nurturing yourself, your love, your beautiful love, your energies. You are using these energies for yourself. And you know that something is ended, something is naturally ended between both of you. And finally, if this is ended peacefully, you should not engage again with this person. You should not try to engage with this person again, try to talk to this person again. You are just want to take a break, and you want a break, a healthy break from this person, from this person's manipulation. And there is a new beginning waiting for you, want it or not, but there is a new beginning for you, because something is ended naturally, and then this end there is a beginning for you. So let's see what else we have for you, Aries. What else for Aries? What else for Aries after this full moon? What else for Aries? Ten of Wands, Two of Swords, and as an outcome, King of Cups. So Aries, this person will feel like their heart is in some kind of burden. Sometimes when we make mistakes, when we manipulate, when we trick our loved ones, and then we feel like that this is a backfire, and this backfire is in a various form. And right now, their backfire is a burden on their heart. This is a form of their backfire. Like they are in some kind of burden. They are not so happy. They are not so like they're feeling the pressure. There is something is compressing them. Their feelings are compressed. Their personality is compressed. Everything is just under the burden. Whatever this person is just ruining themselves, trying to trick you, but it's backfire on them. And also, and as you are like so smart, you cut this person off. You know this person trying to manipulate you. You have that feel like this person is trying to manipulate you, and that's why you already warm up and ready for this person to cut all the energies, that bad energies this person is throwing on you. You are cutting this off. You are not paying attention on this person's manipulation, and this person you are not paying attention at all on this person. And you are using your logic, your mind, and trying your best not to engage with this person again. And with this King of Cups, you are so like you will feel like this stable, this strong, emotionally strong, a wise person who is so wise in love, who is so decent, who is so like truth and honest. You will feel the honesty. You will you find someone, maybe these are energies will surround you after this new beginning, after this end and this new beginning. You will feel like that you are stepping in energies, stepping in a new chapter of your life where you feel so responsible, where you feel so secure, where you feel love, where you feel like a lot of loving energy around you, but true and honest. So these are your cards, and let's see what advice messages I should have for you, Aries. What advice messages? Believe in destiny, stop listening songs, shine in your inner light, don't be a option. These are few advice messages, and summary of your reading is feel is turning into your favor. No matter what this person did to you, there is a backfire for this person, and you are like, there is a new beginning waiting for you. It is, if you want it or not, but there is a healthy new start for you. You will feel like that something is in change in your life. You are stepping into a new chapter of your life, and you feel like there is a honesty, truth, there's pure feelings around you. There is a pure like pure feelings everywhere, surrounded by pure feelings of love, of passion, responsibility, wise in love. Like these kind of feeling you will feel and you will get from your community and your people. These are few summary of your reading. Hope is helpful for you. If it resonates with you and helpful for you, you can support my channel. And thank you so much for your time and attention. God bless you, Aries. God bless you all. Bye.